Oh, I've got a couple different case reviews for you off Amazon that are magnetic for your iPad mini 6. Watch this video and find out which one is the best one and you should buy. Hey, welcome back YouTube. It's your host, VLD, coming back with another video. And today, I am talking about a couple different cases I purchased. I'm finally retiring my old case I've had for a while. And this new one is the Taupe Case. They're both magnetic, both of these. And this is the tomtoc case. My bad. You can pick this one off Amazon for about $22. And it comes in a couple different colors. I love my original case, but it's just time to move on.
If you like my content, please buy me a coffee. Link in the description. Thank you, and have a good day.
The other case is a ZtotopCase. You can pick this off Amazon for about 15 bucks or so. I've reviewed this one in the past, but I'm giving it a second shot. I think the first one was a little bit of lemon. This one's also magnetic, but this one's a little bit different. The whole pad on the backside is magnetic right there, and it does it a little bit differently. I like them both, and let's see how they compare. And with the tomtoc case itself, it has a premium plastic fake leather feel to it. It has multi-angles for it to adjust your iPad in different positions, which I probably will never use. You can fold the case. The wings of them are a little bit different, and with comparing both of them together, you have just different things with it. This one will also actually fit your iPad with your Mini 6 pencil also. With the Apple Pencil 2, it will actually work. Both of these cases will work with the sleeve with your Apple Pencil 2, so that's one good thing to get out of the way. And just to install the case, you just snap it right on, and you are just basically good to go right from there on out. And it's just that easy. You are also given it is a fingerprint magnet, so that's one thing you have to worry about. I've only used this for about 10 minutes, and there's just smudges everywhere. The top part of it, the wing part, is the actual magnetic part to it, so it's not super strong. It does have raised to wake, so if you open and close it, the screen does turn off and turn on, so that is one good thing. But the back side of it, the actual magnetic part of it, is fairly weak. There's no actual grips on the bottom to angle it in different positions. But one of the hindsight of this product is I wish the magnets were stronger or there was a pattern in the back for that reason. Just because it's not really sturdy, it just kind of hangs there and falls right off. So if you're looking for protection, this one really isn't there for you. It's just the bottom half isn't magnetic. It's just the top little rim on the top, and that's about it. So it falls right off. So if you grab it, it falls out. It doesn't work. It's a good feeling case. I like it. I just wish there was rims to adjust it, but it doesn't. And the other case itself, the ZtotopCase case, it actually has a magnetic bar on the bottom of it, so it will actually, that's the actual magnetism that keeps this case attached to it. It's just the bottom part itself, so you just snap it in together, it's installed, and it's more sturdy, it's stronger, so you don't have to actually worry about that. The other part is just the case itself. It's more sturdy, the magnets are stronger, and it has a better cutout for everything in my opinion. And with that, do my shake test, it takes a little bit to actually fall off. This one actually does also have raised awake, so that is a good thing. When I first reviewed this case, it didn't work, so I might have gotten a lemon, so I don't really know. But you have your cutouts for everything, for your power button, your volume up and down, and honestly, this looks like a iPad Pro case with the smart connector, and with my black pencil, that looks slick. And you also have grooves on the bottom, so you can adjust it in 3 different angles for viewing content or whatever you want. So I do like that. I wish the other one had that, but it doesn't. And with adjusting different angles of viewing, so if you want to watch content, playing games, you have that option, which I do wish the other one did have, but just snapping it on is just that easy. In review, I'm more of a fan of the ZTOP case. I like cases that don't have 3 sectionals of how you fold it like the official Apple one, so I'm looking for alternatives like this. These are the only 2 off Amazon you can purchase right now. I love my old case, I love the design, but I just want to move on to something better. I like the magnets on the back of the iPad mini 6, so I am going to take advantage of that, well, pretty much now. So, in my opinion, the 2 cases, the tomtoc case and the ZTOP case, is probably my favorite, is the ZTOP case. It has everything I want. It's cheaper, it's more durable, it has the grooves, it has stronger magnets, raised awake. I mean, the option is yours. They're both fairly good, but in my opinion, the ZtotopCase is superior to the other one for that caveat. So, with that being said, I'm your host, VLD. Smash that bell. Thank you.